I just finished packing my car and I'm now headed to a treehouse in Vermont. Long story short, I just found this last minute deal on Airbnb for a treehouse in the woods in Vermont, and it looks so cool and it's really close to a bunch of cool waterfalls, so I figured why not book it. So yeah, I had a YOLO moment and booked it. Here we are. I'm so excited. I'm going just by myself to have like a little zen self-care moment, and it's also a little present to myself because it's my birth month. Figured why not. I also had so much fun when I went to Vermont a few months ago in the summer, and I wanted to come back for fall foliage season to see Vermont in all its glory. So yeah, fall Vermont aesthetic vlog. So excited. I'm gonna miss you, Rat. But yeah, I'm also just staying one night, so short little trip. Yay, time to go. Okay, I just gassed up. I also got a water inside because I don't know the drinking water situation at the treehouse. I feel like the foliage in Vermont will be just as good, if not better, than the drive here. So fingers crossed, but yeah, this is gonna be so much fun. Ah! Okay, first official pit stop of the trip. We're currently at Lucky's Coffee Garage in Lebanon, New Hampshire. I also think this is the college town for Dartmouth, like the Ivy League school Dartmouth College. I went to UMass Dartmouth, fun fact, so it's basically the same thing. I'm gonna get something to eat here and chill and then make my way up to the waterfall. The drive up here was insanely gorgeous. I swear the videos won't even do it justice. I felt like I was driving in just a sea of orange and red and yellow foliage. It was insane. I wish I had like an HD GoPro camera on the hood of my car or something. Crazy. It's also like extremely warm out for almost October. October 1st is tomorrow. It's the last day of September. Like, I'm in a tank top and sweatpants. I'm feeling fallish, so I got an iced apple cider and then I just got an everything bagel. I decided to eat and do my work in the car because the shop closes in 30 minutes, so I don't want to get like comfortable and then have to leave right after. Also, I felt intimidated because there was a bunch of cool, smarter college kids, so I don't know. I don't know why I felt that way. I'm literally graduated, but whatever. Enjoy my bagel. It was also a little crowded in there, and I didn't want to get claustrophobic, but very good vibes. Very good vibes. Also, road trip / car hack. I love having hand sanitizer here. I feel like I use it so much. The next stop is the first waterfall of the day, which is Texas Falls, and that's about an hour from here, so I'll see you then. Okay, taking a stop at this rest stop because I don't know if there's bathrooms at the waterfall, and also the view looks so pretty. Oh, there's one. Oh wow, this is so cool. This doesn't feel real. This whole ride feels like a simulation. Like, this simply does not feel real. my gosh, it's the waterfall. Oh my gosh. It says to stay on the path, but look how clear that water looks. Like, what the heck? I want to frolic in this water so bad. Glen Falls, which is like 10-15 minutes from the other waterfall we were just at. There's just so casually a waterfall, like a massive waterfall on the side of the road. So narrow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hang on. He's showing me there, guys. Oh my god, it's so steep. We're like really in the trees. Okay, just pulled up. This is the bathroom kitchen unit, and then here is the treehouse. I'm so excited. Okay, here is a mini tour of the treehouse before it gets all gross and messy. Then up here, oh, here's a little nook. I'm probably gonna go there tonight and like sketch or read maybe. Actually, no, I don't fucking read. I'll watch YouTube there. Ooh, fan. My bed. Oh, that stained glass is so cute. Love it. Okay, the sun is going down. Oh, time to unwind. I usually use micellar water to take off my makeup, but when I travel, I just use makeup wipes. Not gonna lie, I think I sweat most of my makeup off today. It's starting to get to sunset. I feel like the fact that I was able to just pull up to Vermont in like less than 3 hours is insane, and it's probably one of the reasons I'll never move out of New England. Like, the accessibility to other states and like all the cool stuff other states offers really is like insane. Okay, I'm feeling lazy, so I think I'm gonna put my hair in braids and wear a beanie tomorrow and not shower. Okay, it's dark now, but time to get food. Is it gonna rain? I'm gonna bring this in just in case it rains. There we go. Thank God there's a microwave here. College throwback. I'm also probably gonna make some tea later. Also, I brought these. They're Trader Joe's dark chocolate cherries. So good, so good. Also, side note, these are my fall nails. Fancy. They're the press-on ones from Olive and June / Target. Currently crocheting in bed. I'm currently working on my matching bandana for the sweater I just crocheted my dog. I'm not sure if that video will be ready by the time I post this video, but yeah. Trust me, I already know it's weird. So yeah, I'm just going to crochet a little bit and then probably head to bed on the earlier side. I feel like my plan should be to go to bed early, wake up early-ish, do the work I need to do, and then head to Burlington whenever I feel like it. This trip is very much go with the flow, which is honestly why I really like solo traveling, because you can just do whatever you want. I can't get over this mosaic. It's so cool. The treehouse. Okay, this is all I've done, and I'm already so tired I want to go to bed. Okay, I've only ever stayed in a hotel room alone one other time, and that was in Madrid. Both times I feel perfectly safe. I don't know if this is normal or not, but both times I was alone in hotel rooms, I felt the need to put something at the door. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just paranoid because I feel completely safe here, but yeah. Okay, nighttime. Good night. Morning time. Bye, treehouse. So perfect. I'm not gonna get any closer, but that looks like a massive bee's nest. Oh my god. Hi, just packed up my car and headed out now. This place was so cool. I was FaceTiming my boyfriend last night and giving him like a treehouse tour. So he has other tree houses on the property, even more extravagant than the one I stayed in tonight. When I was FaceTiming my boyfriend, I mentioned I want to come back with him. If you're ever on Airbnb looking at tree houses in Vermont, see if you can find one owned by Derek. It should pop up. But this place is so cool. I just realized I'm repping Carhartt and the color brown really hard today. Right now, I'm headed to the third and final waterfall of the trip, which is Waterfalls. It's about 20 minutes from here. And it's up on the way to Burlington, which is my next destination. LOL, side note about this place though, if you don't have a really durable car / a four-wheel drive, I don't think you'd be able to drive up to the tree houses. Like, you'd probably have to park down here and walk up. Cause damn, this is like steep. Also, I love solo road trips because you can literally pull over wherever and whenever. Like, look how beautiful, oh my gosh. got this maple raspberry creamy. I know the name sounds kind of weird, but in Vermont they call them creamies, like they're soft serve ice creams. This is the most majestic McDonald's overlook. It's literally in the mountains. And no line. Hi, currently at a rest stop on my way home. Burlington was a lot of fun. I got these earrings, but I didn't show them while I was there. I got these earrings because they match my bracelet. I had an amazing trip. Vermont is so cool. Highly would recommend if you're ever in New England to check it out, especially in the fall time. Fall is definitely Vermont's peak tourism season, but it is for a reason. It was amazing and I would highly recommend. Also, highly would recommend if you're on Airbnb searching for tree houses in the Vermont area, anything hosted by Derek, highly would recommend. Okay, subscribe. Bye!